Mobile internet and bulk SMS services will remain suspended in Haryana's Nuh for 2 days due to law and order concerns after right-wing Hindutva outfits declared that they will not cancel their religious procession on August 28th. The district administration had denied them permission to take out the Bridge Mandal Jal Abhishek Yatra in Nuh on August 28th, citing security concerns. The State Home Department said that mobile internet services, bulk SMS, excluding banking and mobile recharge, and all dongle services will be suspended in Nuh district in a bid to stop the spread of misinformation and rumors through various social media platforms. At least 10 people died after a fire broke out inside a stationary train compartment at Madurai railway station in the early hours of Saturday. The Southern Railways said that an illegal gas cylinder caused the fire. Southern Railways said that ex gratia of 10 lakh rupees has been announced to the family of the deceased. Madurai District Collector M.S. Sangeeta said that 55 people have been rescued. As per the Southern Railways release, the fire broke out at 5:15 am on Saturday and the fire service personnel who arrived at the spot half an hour later put down the blaze by 7:15 am. Many passengers got out of the coach after noticing the fire. Some passengers had got down at the platform itself. On Saturday, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan expanded his cabinet by inducting 3 BJP MLAs as ministers just months ahead of the state assembly polls to be held by the end of the year. Former minister and a 4-time MLA from Rewa, Rajendra Shukla, a Brahmin leader, Gauri Shankar Bison, a 7-time legislator from Balaghat in Mahakoshal region, who is also the chairman of the MP Backward Class Commission, and first-time MLA from Khargapur in Tikamgarh district of Bundelkhand region, Rahul Lodhi, took oath as ministers. On Saturday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that the touchdown point of Chandrayaan 3 will be called Shiv Shakti. While addressing the team, ISRO at ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network or ISTRAC, he also spoke about the place where Chandrayaan 2 left its footprint on the lunar surface in 2019. He said that the crash-landed site will be known as Tiranga Point. The Prime Minister also announced that August 23rd, the day the Chandrayaan 3 lander touched down on the lunar surface, would be celebrated as National Space Day. PM Modi flew down directly to Bengaluru from Greek capital of Athens to interact with ISRO scientists on the successful Chandrayaan 3 mission.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.